Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will be explaining what shareasale is all about and why you should use shareasale to advertise your products as a merchant or to also use shareasale to start affiliate marketing and earn commissions, so stay tuned. But before I proceed, I will like you all to please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button in order to access more amazing contents available my channel. What's shareasale? ShareAsale is a popular affiliate marketing program with 2 decades of experience in sales and advertising. The company is reputable and well-reviewed, and affiliate sign-up is free. Affiliates have access to more than 4,800 merchants across multiple markets and niche industries, making it easy to find the right fit for your website. Why choose ShareAsale? Reviews of ShareAsale online are generally favorable. While there is a learning curve that comes with the placement and context of affiliate marketing leads, ShareAsale is considered to be a reliable source of online affiliate income. How does ShareAsale work? ShareAsale has more than 4,800 merchants offering different products and services. To use it, you choose any of these merchants and try to direct sales to their websites. You get a commission for sales resulting from your referral. Applying for an affiliate account. To get started with ShareAsale, visit their website by clicking the link in the description. When in their website, just click the affiliate sign up link to start the sign up process. You'll be directed to the sign up page. Once you create a username and password that you'll remember and enter your country of residence, then click move on to step 2. On the next page, you'll be asked for details about your website including its URL and primary language. It's worth noting that to use ShareAsale, you need an active website. Make sure your site is up and running before you apply. When you're done, click move on to step 3. You'll be asked to confirm your email address. Once you provide that information, click move on to step 4. On this page, you'll be asked to fill in contact information where you want ShareAsale to send your payments. When the form is complete, click move on to step 5. To complete the application process, you'll need to choose a payment option. Once you click complete sign up, you just have to sit back and wait. Your application will typically be reviewed and approved in 2 to 3 days. Once your application is approved, it's time to start adding affiliate links. ShareAsale offers a robust search tool that lets you filter merchants by category, keywords, sales commission structure, or length of time with ShareAsale. You can also look at the top 100 merchants on the site to see if any match your website niche. Then, when you click on a merchant, you'll see both their commission structure and payment amounts. There are 3 merchant marketing models to earn money with ShareAsale. Pay per lead, you get paid every time a visitor follows your affiliate link to a merchant's lead capture form and fully completes it. Pay per sale, you earn a commission when visitors follow your direct link to a product or web page and then make a purchase. Pay per click, you earn a commission when people click ads on your website. After selecting a merchant, you'll be able to access their referral links and banners through your ShareAsale account. To use a link, copy it and then head to the WordPress post or content you want to use. Next, highlight the text you'll use for the link, click the Insert, Edit Link button in WordPress, it looks like 2 connected links of a chain, and paste the ShareAsale affiliate URL. ShareAsale pays commissions monthly, and you can log into your account at any time to check your earnings in real time. The ShareAsale minimum threshold to cash out is $50. To select a merchant on ShareAsale, you need to log into your ShareAsale account and then go to Merchants. Select or scroll through the top icons to browse by featured categories. Use the left-hand column to filter by detailed categories. Scroll through the trending merchants. Or, if you have a pretty solid idea for the type of brand or product that you are looking for, use the search bar. Once you find the program you want, just click the blue Join Program button on the far right. This is the simplest way to join one single program. Let's go to the affiliate form. Affiliate programs receive dozens, even hundreds, some closer to thousands of applications in a given time period. Therefore, you will need to make your application stand out. Think of this as your first impression to the brand. You want to be approved for this program, so make sure to take the time to tell the affiliate manager what you plan to do. Use the space to explain how you plan to promote their products. If you are a blogger, tell them what you write about. Tell them how their links will fit in with your readers. That's all for ShareAsale in this video. To begin affiliate marketing with shareasale, you need to click on the link provided in the description so as to get access to shareasale website. Thank you for watching this video, and once again, like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get access to all the amazing video available in my channel. Thank you.